I've never written a bash script before, but this is kind of what I've been working on today, and hopefully you'll see why this would be important. So basically I've got this elms ln-build.sh command that takes one parameter, which is basically just where you want it to show up. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to watch what happens. So it creates a folder called ELMS Learning Network, downloads the CIS distribution, rewrites it to online, downloads the MOOC distribution, rewrites that to courses. Then it goes and it will download the collaborative learning environment distribution and rewrite that to Studio. Then it will go and do some cleanup. Then it will go and get the remote watchdog distribution, rewrite the name of that, import it into all three of those distributions, and then the part that currently is not working but will be soon enough is automatically setting up Drupal databases and writing modules that connect them together. So what this did, as I rambling through as it happened, so we get the online system here. This is effectively the CIS distribution. Downloads CIS, goes in, wipes out the text files because those have security implications, goes into the profiles directory, goes into CIS, copies the libraries folder, removes the contrib folder from modules and themes, moves them into the expected location of libraries, so you have a copy of libraries, modules contrib, everything from contrib, themes contrib, everything from that folder. Then it steps into the courses distribution, does the same thing for MOOC, Studio, then profiles, does the same thing for collaborative learning environment. Then it goes and it downloads the remote watchdog distribution, which I don't talk about ever, but a good thing. It sits on the side here outside, goes into that distribution, copies all the files for it, and stores it inside each of these profile stacks so that we have the ability to produce a remote watchdog that sits down those paths. The last part, as I mentioned, that I'll need to do is run through the installation routine automatically. But I'm pretty sure the reason that's not happening currently has more to do with the permissions on my local host instance than anything else. The script itself is 70 lines at most, and I'll just keep writing into it until we get all the automation that I want, but effectively I'm templating the server that I keep demonstrating and trying to make it set itself up so that we can start to do this every